Welcome, boys. So we'll continue with the same exercise. Now problem number 3. The last class we finished up to 2. Problem number 3. This exercise angle of elevation or depression. From the top of the tower of height, a tower of height is 60 meter. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of a vertical lamp. So a tower is there and a vertical lamp. From the top of the tower 60 meter high, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a vertical lamp. So AB is a tower, we call CD as the lamp post, and the depression of the top is 38 degree. And the depression of the bottom is 60 degree. Find the height of the lamp post. This height you have to find. So height of the lamp post you have to find. Since 38 degrees is not a standard angle, they are given tan 38 equal to 0.7813. The tan 38 value is given. Tan 60 value we know. So there are two right triangles. So in triangle ABC, what is given? The AB is 60. Total height of the tower, which is 60. The angle of depressions are 38, 60. You have to find CD, that is height of the lamp post. In triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to opposite AB by adjacent is BC. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 AB is 60 by BC. Therefore, BC, when you cross multiply 60 by root 3. Multiply both sides by root 3, you will get root 3 by 3. 3 and 60, 20 times. So 20 into 1.732. So that is BC. BC is 34.64. Now in triangle AED, tan 38. Opposite is AE by ED. Tan 38 value is given 0.7813 equal to AE by ED. ED and BC are same, equal. Therefore, BC value is 34.64. So, when you cross multiply, AE equal to 0.7813 into 34.64. So, 0.7813 into 34. When you multiply, you will get 27.06. That is AE. AE is 27.06. What is our question? You have to find CD. CD and EB are equal. CD is equal to EB. So from here, what is BE? BE equal to AB minus AE. What is AB? AB is 60. Minus AE. AE just now we found 27.06. When you subtract, you will get 32.94. So what is that? BE. So BE and CD are equal. Therefore, CD is equal to 32.94 or height of the lamp post. Is 32.94 meter. We'll come to the next sum. The fourth sum. An aeroplane at an altitude of 8,800 meters finds that two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. So an aeroplane at a height of 1,800 meters. So find the two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angle of depression of the boats as observed from that aeroplane are 60 and 30. So A, B, C, D, 60 and 30. Find the distance between the two boats. The two boats are C and D. So 30 and the angle of depression is 60. Okay. So angle, what is given? AB is 1800 meter. Angle ACB is 60 degree. Angle ADB is 30 degree. And you have to find CD, the distance between the two ships. So in triangle ABC, tan 60 equal to A opposite AB by adjacent BC. Root 3, AB is 1800 by BC. So BC equal to 1800 by root 3. So when you multiply both sides by root 3, 1800 by root 3 into root 3 into root 3. You will get 1800 root 3 by 3. When you cancel, so BC is 600 root 3. Now in triangle ABD, tan 30 is opposite AB by BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is 1800 by BD. So when you cross multiply, BD is equal to 1800 root 3. Now what do we have to find? We have to find the CD. That is, what is CD? CD is BD minus BC. BD is 1800 root 3 and BC we found 600 root 3. So when you subtract, you will get 1200 root 3 or 1200 into 1.732. So when you multiply, you will get 2078.4 meter. That is the distance between the two ships. Distance between the two ships is 2078.4 meter. We'll come to the next sum. Sum number 5. From the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the opposite side of it are observed to be 30 and 60. The previous sum, the two ships are on the same direction, same side of the lighthouse. Here, on the opposite sides of the lighthouse. So, lighthouse is there, and on the opposite sides. Suppose AB is the lighthouse, C and D are the ships, one on the opposite sides of the lighthouse. The angle of depressions of the observed to be 30 and 60. If the height of the lighthouse is h meter and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse, so it is horizontal line. You have to show that the distance between these two ships is 44h by root 3. So you have to show that the answer is given. You have to show that the distance between the two ships is 4h by root 3 you have to show. So suppose this is the distance we can. So if we take we know that what is given, the lighthouse AB is h meter given, and the angle of depression of ADB is 30 degree. You can take anything. You can take this as the 60, 30 and this as the 60. Anything you can take. Now what is given? We have to show that the distance between the two ships, that is CD. We have to prove that CD is equal to 4h by root 3. So you have to find CD. So in triangle ABC, tan 60 equal to AB opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 is root 3. AB is h by BC. If you want, you can take as x. Okay, x. So x is equal to h by root 3. When you cross multiply, you will get x by root 3. In triangle ABD, tan 30 equal to AB by BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is h by root 3. BD is, we'll take it as y. So y equal to root 3h. Now what is CD? CD is x plus y. Therefore CD is equal to x plus y. What is x? H by root 3. And y is root 3h. So when you take LCM, root 3. So h plus root 3 into root 3 is 3h. That is h plus root 3h is 4h. 4h by root 3. That is CD. So that is what you have to prove. So CD is equal to 4h by root 3 meter. The next sum. The sixth sum. A lift in a building of height 90 feet. A lift in a building of height 90 feet with a transparent glass is descending from the top of the building. So a building is there. The height of the building is 90 feet. Question is given in feet. It is descending from the top. At the top of the building, the angle of depression to a fountain in the garden is 60. So there is a garden is there. There is a fountain here. From here, the angle of depression is 60. Two minutes later, the angle of depression reduces to 30. So 2 minutes later, the angle of depression reduces to be 30. If the fountain is 30 root 3 feet from the entrance, the fountain is here, so the distance between the fountain and the building is 30 root 3 feet. You have to find the speed of the lift, which is, you have to find the speed. Suppose AB is the building of height 90 feet, and we will call C as the fountain. Okay, this D. What is this AD? AD is the distance covered in 2 minutes. It is descending, it is coming down. So the distance covered in 2 minutes is AD. We have to find the speed. So AB is building 90 feet. Angle of depression ACB is 60 degree and DCB is 30 degree. Now we have to find the speed. So in triangle DBC, in this triangle, tan 30 is equal to opposite. Here opposite is DB, and what else is given? BC is 30 root 3 feet by adjacent, that is 1 by root 3 equal to, this is we do not know, we call it dB or x. Okay, dB by 30 root 3. So when you cross multiply, dB equal to 30 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. So BD equal to 30 feet. So if BD is 30 means what is AD? AD is AB minus BD. AB is 90 minus BD is 30, so that is 60. So AD is 60 feet. What is AD? AD is the distance covered in 2 minutes. So AD is the distance covered in 2 minutes. So distance covered in 2 minutes is 60 feet. We have to find the speed. So speed equal to, as we know, distance by time. Distance is 60 feet. Time is 2 minutes. So feet per minute. Question is, answer is given. So 30 feet per minute. Suppose if we change this one to seconds, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Therefore divide. So speed equal to, when you divide by 60, you will get feet per second. So that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 feet per second or 0.5 feet per second. So what is the speed? Speed equal to 0.5 feet per second. So far in this exercise, we dealt with problems involving angle of depression. And the previous exercise, we dealt with the angle of elevation. Now, the next exercise, we are going to deal with both combined. They will give both angle of elevation as well as angle of depression. We have to solve the problem. So now, problem involving both angle of elevation as well as angle of depression. We will start with one simple example. We will take example 6.31. From the top of a 12-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 and the angle of depression of its foot is 30. So, tower is there and the cable tower. Top of a building, from the top of a building, you consider the building. Suppose AB is the building and CD we consider as a cable tower. Now what is given? From the top of a 12-meter high building. So the height of the building is 12 meter. The angle of elevation at the top of the tower. So the angle of elevation from the top of it, the angle of elevation at the top of a cable tower. So now, so see, building is 12 meter and AB is the cable tower. From here the angle of elevation is 60 degree. And the angle of depression, from here the angle of depression is 30 degree. From the top of the 12-meter high building, so CD is the building, from the top of that, the angle elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 and the angle of depression of its foot. From here, the angle of depression is 30 degree. You have to find the height of the tower. So this height you have to find. So CD is a tower, that means EB also is 12. So what is given? AB is a cable tower. And CD is building, that is 12 meter. The angle of elevation on the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. And the angle of depression is to the foot of the cable tower is 30 degree. You have to find the height of the tower. So in triangle AED, if we take triangle AED, what is AE? First of all, AE equal to full height is h minus this is 12, so h minus 12. So in triangle AED, tan 60 equal to opposite AE by adjacent is ED. If you want, you can take this as x. So root 3 A is h minus 12 by x. Cross multiply root 3x is equal to h minus 12. Or x is equal to h minus 12 by root 3. Now in triangle DBC, tan 30 equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. DC is 12 and BC is x. So x is equal to 12 root 3. If you compare 1 and 2, here x is equal to h minus 12 by root 3. Here x is equal to 12 root 3. So from 1 and 2, h minus 12 by root 3 is equal to 12 root 3. Cross multiply, h minus 12 is equal to 12 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 12 into 3 is 36. So h minus 12 equal to 36. So h is equal to 36 plus 12. That is 48. So what is h? Height of the building. So height of the cable tower. Therefore, height of the cable tower is equal to 48 meter. The next example, 6.32. A pole 5 meter high is fixed on the top of a tower. A tower is there. Above the tower, a pole of 5 meter is fixed. Suppose this is a tower. Above the tower, they fixed a pole. Height of the pole is 5 meters. Suppose AB is the pole, 5 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole, this is the pole, AB is the pole. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point. Observed from a point A. So point A is given. So we will consider this as B, C, D. The angle of elevation is 60 degree. And the angle of depression to the point from the top of the tower. Top of the tower is C. The pole is erected on the top of the tower. So from here, the angle of depression is 45 degree. So this is 45. You have to find the height of the tower. The height of the tower you have to find. What is given? This is only 5. The two angles are given. You have to find height of the tower. So what are the things given? BC is the pole. We will consider that is 5 meter. And angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. Angle of depression is 45 degree. So in triangle ADC, that is tan 45, easy to find. Triangle ACD, tan 45 is equal to opposite. Opposite is CD and adjacent is AD or DA. So 1 is equal to CD by DA or DA equal to CD. Now in triangle BAD, tan 60 is equal to opposite BD by adjacent is AD. BD, that is what you have to find, that is H. dA. So when you cross multiply, dA is equal to h by root 3. Now dA and what is h? H you can write as since BC is given, BD you can write as 5 plus CD. So when you cross multiply, okay. Now from 1 and 2, dA equal to CD, here dA equal to 5 plus CD by root 3. From 1 and 2, instead of dA we can write CD equal to 5 plus CD by root 3. So when you cross multiply, root 3 CD equal to 5 plus CD. Bring CD one side, root 3 CD minus CD equal to 5. When you take CD common, we will get root 3 minus 1 equal to 5. Or CD equal to 5 by root 3 minus 1. So when you conjugate on both sides, so root 3 minus 1. So you have to multiply both sides by root 3 plus 1. When you multiply, you will get 5 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 square, a minus b into a plus b, minus 1 square. That is 5 into 1.732 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. That is 5 into 2.732 by 2. 1.732 plus 1 is 2.732. When you multiply, by 2, that will get 6.83. That is what you are getting, 6.83. That is CD. What is CD? CD is this part. What you have to find? You have to find BD. Therefore, BD equal to, so height of the tower. So CD equal to 6.83. What is CD? CD is our tower. So therefore, height of the tower is equal to 6.83 meter. Okay, boys, the remaining sums will continue in the next class. Thank you.